What's up, y'all? So today we are going to be doing a video of me playing some Idle Lag Factory. So y'all, if you're excited for this video, make sure to like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. It's kind of support for me, gives me a confidence boost to get me some. Will make me some more videos. I'll be making a lot of videos because this is on my phone that I am doing it on. If there's something wrong with the graphics or anything, please tell me. If there's something wrong with how low I'm talking or something, please tell me in the comments. But we are gonna be. I have already started this game, so I'm gonna be trying to find some more games that y'all haven't, well, maybe have seen, but maybe I haven't. I'll be looking for that. But I will also be. I'll also be trying to be trying to do all the stuff that I'm needing to do in the process of having a YouTube channel. I need y'all to, I need to support on Fortnite. I really don't have a creator code, but I do play Fortnite. But if you want to react to something pretty funny, I actually have a friend and he has a YouTube channel, and his name is CJ. His YouTube channel is CJ Newsome. Make sure to like and subscribe to his channel. We'll try to make his videos. But today we are gonna be trying to do all this. The video is gonna be about this farm game, about all this. I don't even know what it's really about. I thought I would probably know, but I really don't. But y'all, thank you if you're still watching this. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching this. TikTok, I do have a TikTok account. I do have this will be on YouTube, but I have TikTok, Snapchat, and YouTube. Make sure to follow me on TikTok. I would love that. My name is wait a second. It's Liam. If you're, there's a rainbow egg. Okay, okay, I'm gonna be doing my farm speed. Oh, we got an ad, boys. We got a rally car. We got a rally car. Rally car. Yeah, boys. If you're a boy and you're watching this, good luck for the boys. I'm trying to connect something else on my phone. I could put Bluetooth. I don't know. What? It's how much money? Something AA, what? AA? What's AA? You see it says AA. What? AA. What does that mean? Does it have like quadrillion? That's why, like, some games, I don't think they have, like, good graphics. Because, look, it says AA. That might be just a glitch. That's a really bad glitch, actually. But we're gonna try our best to do a lot on this game. Y'all, if you're still watching, thank you so much. Okay, we're gonna leave that there, and we might end it here. Let's see, how many minutes it's been. I don't know, not cancel. But okay, it's been 6 minutes. Y'all, I am gonna end this video. Y'all, but make sure to like and subscribe, and peace.